Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 12 by 16 sunshade that we put on our patio. And we kind of like want to put some kind of a furniture right here. And we had some before, and we were cooking right here with the sun. So we created this kind of like shade, which I think it is super good just to have in a place like this one, where you can put it in like a pergola, for example. You can put it against a fence like we did. And this one is 16 by 12. They also have bigger ones, but I chose this one on purpose because this is exactly just my pergola. It is 12 feet. So that one worked out really, really good. But then I had to extend it over there with some like steel cables and super strong kind of like clips and things like that. But this one, let me show you. So you can see over there already comes with the cables over there. Not the cables, actually, the steel clips. So with those rings, you can actually put it in a place like wooden fence or like a wooden pergola, or you can use a cement as well. And I do recommend using one of those. Let me show you one of those kind of like adjusters over there, because that is going to be the best way to act against the wind. And then you can see that's kind of like the installation that we did in those corners, just to put it against the fence and make sure that I can extend it and work with the wind. And then this is kind of like my thing, you know, I just want to make sure that I had this steel cables right there routed to my fence, because that's the problem of picking like a larger one. I do wanted to take advantage of the 12 yeah, it was 12, right? Yeah, it was 12 feet right there on my pergola. That's how it measures right there. Just make sure that I had enough room to extend it over there. But this one, the good thing about this one is that the shade actually, it has some kind of slack. You know what I'm trying to say? If it is like a super strong windy day, it will move on purpose. So you don't have to get alarmed if it moves too much, if it flaps too much, because that's kind of like it's intended. It comes with micro holes inside, so the wind is gonna get through. And of course, this thing is gonna be waterproof resistant. If it is like a super heavy rain, the rain will get through, will get passed through. If it is just like a slight rain, we're not gonna have any issues. You're not gonna have any issues with that. And also, I do recommend putting in a kind of like an inclined position, so the water tends to go to one of the sides. So that's kind of like my recommendation. This one comes in multiple colors, comes in multiple sizes. This one is the one that we wanted. I wouldn't pick one super dark like a black one, so it's gonna get hot kind of like underneath a little bit. So I do recommend using something like this one, like a gray one. And of course, taking the advantage of the size for your pergola, for your fence, for your cement, your columns, or something like that. I do like this one. I do recommend it.